Today we are diving for river trash. There's a lot of trash here in the river and on the banks, and today we want to get some of that out. A disgusting camping chair. There we go.
Sogar noch voll. Hier.
Ah.
Kannst du trinken. Oh, jetzt noch eine. Wolltest du abtreiben?
Plastic fragments here on the bank.
Leftovers, ne?
Yeah. Okay. Alright, we just reached the dam and yeah, now we're cleaning the dam and after that we're heading further upstream. Yeah. That is a pretty boring message in a bottle.
No, that's the location where we can find the precious stuff.
Ich auch.
So.
Tipps.
So, wo bin ich eben draufgetreten, oder so?
Ah,
Ja, perfekt.
almost.
Noch eine.
Got
Das
it.
war besser. It's not as bad as I thought. Ja.
All right. Oh, there's plastic up there. Oh no. There's an ant nest directly underneath the plastic sheet here. Oh, that's nasty. I'm sorry, little ants. I'm sorry. I just want to help. Ooh. There we go. Disgusting piece of plastic sheet. Well, at least part of it. Okay, we did our best to clean this spot. Fortunately, as always, the plastic's quite buried and very stuck in the dirt, so it just rips off, unfortunately. But yeah, we still...
There's more everywhere.
Oh, yeah, okay. We didn't even see that, yeah. Very unfortunate. And there's a yellow piece there. Also ripping apart, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
kind of.
very unfortunate. And here's the next trash hotspot.
Oh, das schwimmt weg.
Okay. I don't know what it is, but some kind of harder plastic.
Bucket and dog leash.
Ah, thank you. Ah.
Können wir nachher wieder. Aber
More candy wrappers. And a bucket. No, not a bucket.
it.
What does this say? I think it's French. Well, no clue what that was. But the bag is getting pretty full and heavy. The next trash hotspot is cleaned here. I think it's already been maybe 600-700 meters today. It's going pretty good so far. First I was worried that we wouldn't find a lot of trash here because the current is so strong, but you always have these trash hotspots where just a lot of the trash sticks.
And the next find, we found a lorry, a rubbish truck in the river.
That's very handy.
But that's still very good. So just a little bit cleaning.
Yeah. A fake grass carpet.
It's not moose, it's artificial grass carpet.
Yeah. Still looks pretty good.
Yep.
A plastic pipe. Didn't even see that. There's barbed wire.
Ja, das hängt hier fest.
Mm.
So, das da rausmachen und dann uns auch gefährlich. Das wird
Oh, there we go.
But mostly it came off.
Full with dirt and roots. The dirt doesn't want to get out. Fun fact, we found both of those gloves before we started the cleanup under the Autobahn bridge. Pretty good. Great job. Perfect. Come on. Oh, a huge plastic thing for flowers for your balcony. Here you go. There's still so much water in the trash bag. It's really heavy because of that. And even more plastic sheet. And now it's time to float back down. I'm so fast. I'm not even doing anything. Guten Tag. We made it back to the road.